Meanwhile, there is mounting pressure on Chinese officials to reverse the recent downward spiral in stock prices, which is worsening a confidence crisis in the world's second largest economy. A benchmark index of the nation's shares is nearing the lowest closing since January of 2019. This is just one of several gloomy milestones that indicate the depth of pessimism in the $8 trillion market. With a 7% decline so far this year, the CSI 300 index is on track for its worst annual decline ever. A measure of Chinese stocks developed by the MSCI is likely to embark on its longest run of underperformance relative to global equities since the beginning of the century. The poor performance is in stark contrast to a bull run in global stocks this year, underscoring investor skepticism towards Xi Jinping's vision of China. With global tensions rising in the run-up to the US elections in November and consumer spending dampened by China's property crisis, selling pressure is on the rise. Xi Jinping's administration runs the danger of deflationary feedback loop if the market crash further damages consumer and company confidence. State-backed funds have spent billions of dollars attempting to prop up stock prices, but no effect. In all, about $6.5 trillion has been wiped out from the market value of Chinese and Hong Kong stocks since a peak reached in 2021. To put that figure into context, that's almost equal to the size of Japan's equity market and nearly double the GDP of India. In another setback for the struggling real estate businesses, Chinese developer stocks fell in Hong Kong after they were inaccessible to the mainland investors. Shimao Group Holdings stock shed up to 30% on Tuesday, the most in more than a year. CIFI Holdings Group and Sino-Ocean Group Holding each sank more than 20%. A Bloomberg intelligence gauge of Chinese developers declined as much as 5.3% to the lowest since April. A growing number of Wall Street analysts are predicting China may miss its economic growth goal of about 5% this year. While that may alarm Beijing policymakers, appear to be in a bind. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.